Hello everyone. I am going to start with logical functions. N returns true if all arguments are true. See this logic. N logic with two different tables equals calculate, sum, sales table have the amount column, filter, sales, N. Sales table have the amount column greater than 1000 related, products table have the category column, equals high. Example, create measure to flag rows where the sales amount is greater than 1000 and the category is high. Byte and returns a bitwise and of two numbers. See this logic. Byte and equals byte and, sum, sales table have the amount column, 50,000. Example, perform a bitwise AND operation on the sales amount with the number 50,000. Bitleshift shifts a number left by the specified number of bits. See this logic. Bitleshift equals bitleshift, sum, sales table have the amount column, 10,000. Example, shift the bits of the sales amount left by 10,000 position. Byter returns a bitwise or of two numbers. See this logic. Byter, sales table have the amount column, 3. Example, perform a bitwise OR operation on the sales amount with the number 3. Bitershift shifts a number right by the specified number of bits. See this logic. Byter equals byter, sum, sales table have the amount column, 5000. Example, shift the bits of the sales amount right by 5000 position. Bitker returns a bitwise XOR of two numbers. See this logic. Bitker, sales table have the amount column, 3. Example, perform a bitwise XOR operation on the sales amount with the number 3. Coalesce returns the first non-blank value in the list of arguments. See this logic. Coalesce, sales table have the amount column, 0. Example, replace any blank values in the amount column with 0. If checks a condition and returns one value if true, and another value if false. See this logic. If equals if, sum, sales table have the amount column, greater than 1 million, high, low. Example, categorize sales as high or low based on the amount. If.eager, an optimized version of if for better performance in complex scenarios. See this logic. If.eager, sales table have the amount column greater than 1000, high, low. Example, similar usage as if but with performance improvements. If error returns a value if there's no error, otherwise returns a specified value. See this logic. If error equals if error, divide, sum, sales table have the amount column, sum, sales table have quantity column, 0. Example, handle division errors by returning 0 instead of an error. Or, returns true if any of the arguments are true. See this logic. Or logic with two different tables equals calculate, sum, sales table have the amount column, filter, sales, or, sales table have the amount column greater than 1000 related, products table have category, equals high. Example, create a measure to flag rows where the sales amount is greater than 1000 or the category is high. Switch evaluates an expression against a list of values and returns corresponding results. See this logic. Switch equals if, is filtered, sales table have the amount column, switch. True. Values, sales table have the amount column, greater than 1000, high. And, values, sales table have the amount column, greater than 500 values, sales table have the amount column, lesser than 1000, medium values, sales table have the amount column, lesser than 500, low, selected blank data. Not hung is selected. Example, categorize sales amounts into high, medium, and low categories. If and is filtered used for ignoring the error. Now you will observe it with sample data.